Hi, it's Brady. Out in the greenhouse, filling pots, prepping them for Saturday when I'm gonna start my peppers. I already got all my herbs planted. So what I do is I bring a wheelbarrow in the greenhouse. It makes it easier. I do half compost, half topsoil. I mix it around, and then I just take my pots. When it's dried, I fill it up to the top before watering them. Right now that's wet because I've been filling pots already. So I just fill them up halfway and I push them down to get them flat before I put the seeds in. So when I fill my pots, my trays, I take them, I put them in the wheelbarrow down before I water them, and I stack them too high. So when I'm watering the pots from the top, it goes down from this pot to the pot below it, and then it continues down into the wheelbarrow that I could just mix the dry soil together. Saves water. Steve and Cooper appreciate it because they have to carry out my buckets of water from the house because I can't turn on the hose yet because it's freezing outside. So here are my buckets they carry out, and they continue on filling them for me because they're so nice until I am done. So what I do is I use this cup for right now, and I just pour the water on top of the pots. I fill them twice, let the water soak down. You want to make sure you wet all the way through before putting the seeds in. So I'll do this process before I put them onto my heating mats before I start the seeds. I hope this helps. It's a process I use every year. It makes it easier, consistent, and ready for the next process when you go step by step and have each step done. Okay, I hope this helps. Happy gardening. Follow me. We're gonna do the seeds on Saturday, which I am gonna video. Show you how to start them, how deep each pepper goes, and everything. I know with the herbs, if you watch my videos, you just sprinkle them on top because herbs need light to grow, so you don't really want to press them down, and then you just lightly cover them with dirt. When you water them, it soaks them in, but when you get to the peppers and tomatoes, it's a different process. So have a great day.